what's up, my beautiful eye candy family? I am your one and your only Lady of Lenses. I am excited today. I have an unboxing, which is a little different. They are some toppers from Pair Eyewear. Now, if you've seen a previous video, you see that I have two frames from Pair Eyewear, and I did a little review on that, so you can kind of go check that out. But one of the frames that I would wear sometimes if I had to choose between the two are, oh goodness, the Wandas. That's the name. I was trying to look at it to think. So these are the Wandas from Pair Eyewear. Now, one thing I would say is that they're not my favorite because I'm more so into the bigger frames. Just like these are from Vogue Glam. And I love bigger frames. So if I had to put something out there, just throwing it out in the atmosphere, Pair Eyewear, I think you should go just the size up, you know, for some larger frames where we can kind of get toppers for those two. That would be awesome. But the Wandas are a cat eye type frame. And I really think they're really cute. So I was out one day, sunny, and I'm like, I never buy sunglasses because I have to get prescriptions. So I was never a fan of buying prescription sunglasses. So when I went to Pair Eyewear, I looked online and I said, what about ordering some toppers from Pair to see how they would look as far as sunglasses? So let me find my scissors. I'm sorry. Should have had that ready. So what I did was I said, you know what? I'm going to go to Pair. I'm going to order some topper sunglasses. So when I am out and about and driving and need some sunglasses, I could just throw my Pairs on, you know, in the car, and it'll be a little easier to drive. So let me show you how they come. They came in this little bag, and I did get two toppers. I would say I got two toppers. I have my little receipt here, and that just shows what I got. So in the box, this is my Pair Eyewear box, and the toppers are really small. They come in this little box. And I got, like I said, I got two. So I got a pair that was sunglasses, and then I got another set, which was like their, and that's the first one I'm seeing right here. It was a Luau, I think. It was like a special theme. So they have these special themes, and I was just like, you know what? I will get one from the special theme, and then I'll get a sunglasses topper. So let's try, take these off, put the Pairs on, and what we're going to, I want y'all to tell me what y'all think too, because these are my Pair Eyewears on my face. I feel like, honestly, they're a little small because I have a larger face, and I don't like the smaller frames, but they don't look bad, but they won't be something that I would pick every day. And I said that previously in another video, my actual review video of the frames. But let's put these toppers on and we can kind of just see, because sometimes that may change the game for me, you know, because I like difference. And let's just snap these on and see, it changes it a little bit to me because it gives me a pop of color. And not only that, it makes it kind of stand out a little more. It's so weird because I feel like with the topper on, the frames give me a look of, it's kind of like an illusion that the frames are actually bigger than what they are. So if you really kind of look at it, I don't think they're bad. I like them. I really do like them on my face, you know, with this topper. So maybe there'll be some more toppers for the Wandas coming from Pair Eyewear for me. Because like I say, it gives off this illusion like the frames are a little bigger. So these are the Aloha type frames. I can't remember the exact name for the toppers, but this is the topper for that. So now we're going to try the sunglasses on. Now, this was the reason why I purchased the toppers, because I was like, I never wear sunglasses. And I was up in the air about which topper to get for the sunglasses, but I was just like, I don't know. So let's see. This is my first time. Okay. Little men in blackish hair. That's the first thing that came to my mind. Now, I would say, I don't usually wear sunglasses. So this is different for me. I think I will have to get used to this, but to ride around in a car, something to like, you know, I have to be outside and sitting in the sun, or because I like to read. I like to go sit in the sun and read on my Kindle. So this is something I could just snap on to kind of have that protection from the sun as far as from the eyes. I'm gonna take these off and put these other ones back on. Now, if I have to say, honestly, this is my honest opinion. I will honestly say that the toppers are a game changer for me from Pair Eyewear. Prior to owning another pair of eyewears, I had a little smaller frame, and I had some toppers for those too, and they didn't give me the same feel, but the Wandas is giving something different. I really, really like these frames, and to be honest, I like the I like the frame with the toppers, so I may even wear this today. Like, this may be my thing today to wear, because like I say, it gives off a different illusion. Like, these frames are sassy. They look a little bigger than when, you know, let's look right here with them without. I don't know if it's because it's a clear frame. I think they still look good on my face, but like I say, I'm used to something a little larger. But then we snap these on, it just like pizzazz, like whoa. So I want you guys to tell me, what do you think? You know, do you like the Pair Eyewear with the toppers? You know, do you own a pair? Do you have some special toppers that's your favorite? Because like I said, I'm going to make some more orders for the toppers with my Wandas. I want to just kind of see if I get the same feeling again. So let me know. And as always, I am your one and your only Lady of Lenses, Lady Simone. Thank you so much for being a part of the family. Until next time.